Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to see lesson number 7, part 5. In previous lectures, we have seen the topics lenses, ray diagram of refracted light, sign conventions, lens formula, magnification, power of lens, combination of lens, working of human eye and lens, defects of vision and their correction. Also, we have seen the uses of lens. Then, in the second lecture, we have seen the nearsightedness, that is myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, and also the comparison of these defects. Now, today, we are going to see the apparent size of object, uses of lens, uses of concave lens, uses of convex lens, persistence of vision, and the last topic will be how do we perceive different colors. So quickly we have gone through this comparison chart, nature of problem, condition, position of image, reason of problem, and the correction of the problem. There are three types of problems in that is eye defects, myopia, hypermetropia, and presbyopia. Already we have seen the comparison chart in previous lectures. So today first topic is apparent size of object. So you can see the object, that is PQ. Consider two objects PQ and P1Q1. These are the two objects of same size, but they are kept at different distances from our eye. So you can see that in figure number 7.15 in your textbook, as the angle of, that is angle alpha, created by PQ at the eye is larger than the beta which is created by P1Q1. PQ appears bigger than the P1Q1. You can do that experiment at your home also, and thus the apparent size of an object is dependent on the angle which is subtended by the object at the eye. Now, why do we have to bring a small object near the eye in order to see it clearly? And if we bring an object closer than the 25 centimeter from the eye, why can we not see it clearly even though it subtends a bigger angle at the eye? These are the two questions you have to answer. After this session, you will get the answer also. Now we will start with the next topic, that is use of concave lens. So first use is at the medical equipments, scanner, CD player. These instruments use laser light. For proper working of these equipments, concave lens are used. Second use is at the door. The hole is there and the peep hole in the door is using concave lens. This is the small safety device which helps to see the large area outside the door, and this uses one or more concave lenses also. Now the third is spectacles. Concave lenses are used in spectacles to correct nearsightedness, as we have seen in the correction. Next is torch. In the torch, the concave lens is used to spread widely the light produced by the small bulb inside the torch. Next is camera, telescope, and microscope. In this instruments mainly use of concave lenses to get good quality images a concave lens is used in front of the eyepiece or uh, inside it. Now, convex lenses, use of convex lenses. First is simple microscope. The convex lens with a small focal length will produce a virtual erect and bigger image of that object as shown in figure. You can see the object is close to the lens, and in second figure you can see the object which is at the focus. Now, such a lens is called as a simple microscope or the magnifying glass, which is well known to you. One can get 20 times larger image of an object using such microscope. These are used by watch repairs, testing precious gems and finding their defects. Next, compound microscope. Simple microscope is used to observe a small size object, but the compound microscope is used for minute objects like blood vessels, blood cells, plant cells, animal cells, and the minute organisms like bacteria which cannot be magnified by simple microscope. Compound microscope are also used to study these objects. Compound microscope made up of two lenses. So you can see the first one is objective and the second one is eyepiece. So compound microscope, the objective has a smaller cross section and the smaller focal length. The eyepiece has the bigger cross section, its focal length is also larger than the objective, and the higher magnification can be obtained by combined effect of two lenses. So the magnification occurs at two